Hello everyone, my name is Paul Smith. I'm the co-owner of Smith Brothers Window Cleaning along with my brother Frank Smith. We started our company back in January of 2016, and it was about 2 years later maybe when I finally created our first website. I built it myself off of Wix, and it was okay, but it was never fully completed. I did it myself, and I added the pictures, the information I wanted on there, but it was never fully done, and it was slow. And so fast forward to now, is maybe about 4 months ago, I was like, I need to get this going. So I reached out to a Facebook group that I follow a lot, and I asked the guys on there, I was like, okay, who do you recommend for to help you with your website? And maybe like out of like 20 comments, there was maybe like 8 of them that all supported 180 sites. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna do my research. I looked into them, and man, their reviews, they have 5-star, and they had like 160 reviews, and I was like, okay, that's good. So I went with them. I'll actually show you a glimpse real quick of how our website looks right now. Here it is. So when it pops up, this is what you see. It's professional. The flow is amazing. Every section on the website has a get a fast quote. It's easy to read. The pictures are amazing. It sells to the customer, and that's what I lacked a lot on with our other website. And another big thing that that was lacking in our website was the speed. When I would open up our old website, it took 6.8 seconds to load, which is a long time, especially nowadays when you want everything now. So I'm going to turn the camera on again. I'm going to show you an email from 180 sites that they sent me after the new site was published and running. So I'm going to show you. Actually says, here's a Snapchat of your site's speed and performance when it was launched. Loading in 1.6 seconds, which is fantastic. Your old site was loading in 6.8 seconds. So guys, that's another big thing. So sometimes, you might be good at cleaning, but some people aren't good at the social media stuff. So leave it to the experts. I should have done this a long time ago. So again, I highly recommend 180 sites. You can't go wrong with them. Use them. They're fantastic, guys.